Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. To the video on GTA 5. Today this tutorial on how to download and install GTA 5 without any errors. So first off you need open Chrome browser, type here uTorrent, go to the first link, and download uTorrent from its official website. I'll give the link in description. Then type in Google WinRAR and download WinRAR for your suitable device, 64-bit or 32-bit. Then type here the piratebay.org. Maybe my network is slow. Wait for a second. What is happening? If this happens, you can change your VPN with Touch VPN. Download it from Google Extensions. Then type here the piratebay.org. Then it will open definitely. Then click on games. Type here GTA 5 and front. Click enter. Hit enter. Or click. After it open, download this one, GTA Grand Theft Auto VPC. Okay, open this new tab. I will give this link in description. Okay, open. Click on get this torrent, and uTorrent will open like a pop-up. Then after opening uTorrent, add this torrent. Then after adding this torrent, go to the media file link I have given in description. And download this and download this 386 MB file. Okay, after downloading this, we have all the files of GTA 5. After you download the GTA 5 of 60 GB with uTorrent, go to the folder with where you were downloaded it. Then extract that folder with WinRAR like this. Extract here. Click on extract here, or extract to 3D game, or anything that will say GTA 5 update. After extracting, there is a folder of GTA 5. Click on setup, double click on setup, yes. Okay, you can mute its sounds. Browse where you want to install it, click on next and install it. I have already installed it. After installing, go to crack folder, copy all these files, all of these files, and go to your GTA 5 destination folder and paste it. Copy and replace, copy and replace. Then you need two files named isdone.il. There they are, the xinput.dil and d3d complepier 43.dll. These two files allow you to run GTA 5, or you can't run GTA 5 without this. Okay, after this installation, extract this 3D game wait for its extracting, and make sure that you have disabled your virus protection of antivirus. Make sure you have disabled your antivirus. After this extracts, open the folder where it's extract, open crack and copy these 3 files to gd-high folder. Copy and sorry. Crack, copy all these files, open a gd-high folder where you have installed it, and copy and replace all these files. Then again go to this folder and open gd-high location folder. Then click on installer. You can install Social Club if you don't have, but you can play gd-high online. Click on update, copy these to launcher into this. I've already copied this. Open update, open this update, copy this update.rpf to this, like that. Move and replace. Open 64, copy this metadata, move and replace. Okay, then all the work is completed. Then you can go to your gd-high destination location and open this with this is launcher. Run as administrator, yes, and cut this. Wait for some time. After some time it's open. I have also given a save game in the description, so you can download save game file, and that is 100% save game. Okay, you can see it is open, it is running. So guys, hope you like my video, enjoyed my video. Please drop a like on my video, and see you in the next